Hey, I am Glass, and today I'll tell you how to set up your C coding in Visual Studio Code. So it's the tool which we will use for developing our idle clicker RPG game in pure C. So just enter to the code.visualstudio.com and download it, install it. It's very easy, and then you will get your shortcut on the desktop or in run menu. Run it. And before you will do it, you need to install minjv compiler. I did it in my previous video. Please watch it. In my previous video, I showed how to install minjv compiler. It's a very easy thing to do. So yeah, it's how looks your Visual Studio Code. First thing which you need to do is to install an extension for C language. So if you will just enter C there, you could select C language in the prompt. You will find this extension, the most popular one by Microsoft. So you click install, and after a few seconds it will install it. Okay, it's done. Now let's just create a folder with our project. Let's call it like C clicker C, we call it. And we have our application. In past video we made this hello world. Let's just put it inside. So now we need to open this folder in Visual Studio. Just go desktop and open clicker C. Ta-da! It's kinda our projects. It's our folder with our project. So now if we will open it, we have all the highlighting. So we could already run it. To do it, if you press Shift, not Control tilde, it's to the left from your numbers at the keyboard. Control tilde. You open console. In this terminal, you could say like GCC 1.c, and it will make a file. And to run it here, you use ./and a, and it says hello world. It's because we use here PowerShell. You could choose here different terminals. So yeah, in this PowerShell you need to run programs with // and the name. So it's kinda so we already have a proper IDE. Also you could kinda run, you could press right button, and here you will see a lot of different options. So you could kinda run code with analysis, run debug configuration. So debug, we will need it later on. You could already press to the left button on the panel and click run and debug, and here he will show you different options. We have GDB debugger already. As you remember, we installed it with GCC. So you just click it here twice and it will run it automatically. And now we have our debugger set up, so we can make a breakpoint somewhere, and then we could run the program till this breakpoint. It's like in any other program. So you could see your local variables. We do not have any yet, but later on we will have it. So as always, you could continue and perform debugging. So by the way, to clean your terminal, you press Ctrl L, and of course it's not really convenient every time, like do something like this GCC, like compile stuff with the command manually and then run it also with a command. So what we want to have hotkey to do so. But when we would just we have here like debug or run, when we use running, it's just compile stuff. So we want to run our hello world here. How to do so? We need for this we need special extension also. So it's called Code Runner. Just install it. It's very popular. Like 14 million people use it. And when you have it, when it's installed, you could use Ctrl-Alt-N to run your code. So let's Ctrl-Alt-N, and you see now it's running immediately. So we do not need to enter anything in our prompt. That's it. It's our basic setup for Visual Studio Code. It's all what you need for now. Debugger, code and run your programs. But also we will install C++ Builder. It's yet another IDE, and there are some things better than here. It's easier to debug. So in my next video I'll show you how to start working with the C language in C++ Builder. It's Borland. In the past it was called Borland. So come to the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day, and we will start working at idle clicker soon, very soon in C. Bye bye.